Conics parabola. A parabola is defined as the set of all points P, which is x, y, on a plane that is equidistant from a fixed point called focus F and a fixed line called directrix. Parabola is a curve formed by the intersection of a plane and a cone when the plane is at the same length as the side of the cone. A parabola can also be defined as a set of all points in the plane which are an equal distance away from a given point that called a focus of parabola and the given line that called a directrix. Parabola equation have two types of equation. Parabola minus k squared equal to 4px minus h. P is more than 0, so the graph is open. Meanwhile, the second equation is x minus h squared equals to 4py minus k. So you must remember there are two forms of parabola equation. The first is standard form and the second one is general form. For parabola with vertex at 0, 0 point, first the symmetry at what x-axis is p more than 0, so the graph is open to the right. While if p less than 0, the graph is open to the left. Meanwhile, a symmetry of y-axis is if p bigger than 0, the graph is opens up, and if p less than 0, the graph is open down.
Assalamualaikum. So right now I'm going to explain about an example question, which is past question from year 2014. So let me read the question first. A parabola with horizontal axis has vertex at -1, 2 and passes through the point -5, -2. Find the equation of the parabola and state its focus. Okay, so first we have to sketch the graph and also sketch the parabola shape. So from the question given, we get to know the location of the parabola and which side the parabola open. So vertex -1, 2. Vertex is placed at the middle of the parabola, which is the x-axis is -1 and y-axis is 2 here, -1, 2, and then passes through the point -5, -2. So here the parabola passes through the point -5, 2. -5 is the x-axis and -2 is the y-axis. So to get the equation of the parabola, we just have to look which direction the parabola has the open side. So the parabola is open to the left, so we just have to use formula y minus k bracket power of 2 and equal to 4p bracket s minus h. As we know, k and h we can get from the vertex, which is because vertex is bracket h key here. So the h is -1 and k is equal to 2. So we just have to insert the value of h and k. So the equation will be bracket y minus 2 power of 2 and equal to 4p bracket x plus y. And then to get the focus, we have to look back at the formula, which is h plus p comma k. So as we can see, we don't have the value of p, so we just have to substitute x negative 5 and y negative 2 to the equation of the parabola. The value of x negative 5 and y negative 2 is from the point that the parabola has passed through. And okay. So bracket y minus 2 with power of 2 and then equal to 4p bracket x plus 1 and then negative 2 with power of 2 and then 4p bracket negative 5 plus 1 and then it will be negative 4 with power of 2 and then equal to 4p bracket negative 4 and finally the value of p is negative 1. So to make it clear, we can insert the value of p to the equation of parabola, which is bracket y negative 2 power of 2 equal to negative 4 bracket x plus 1. Okay, so we can insert the value of h plus p, comma k, and then negative 1 plus negative 1 and 2, and then the focus is negative 2, 2. Okay, that's it.
Alright, let's jump to this question. This question asks us to find the vertex, the focus, directrix of the following parabolas and sketch the graph of the parabolas. Okay, the question give that x squared plus 8x plus 12y negative 56 equal to 0. As we know, this form is in a general form. So what we need to do is we need to convert this general form into this standard form. Alright, so first step is we need to write like this: x squared plus 8x equal to negative 12y plus 56. Alright, so if we write like this, so we can see that this form and this form we can do a CTS, which is completing the square. So we need to do like this. So we can get the standard form like this: x plus 4 to the power of 2 equal to negative 12 y minus 6. Alright, so after we get this standard form, we need to compare it with the formula. So to find the value of h, we just compare with these two together, which is negative h is equal to 4, so h equal to negative 4. So negative k equal to negative 6, so we get k equal to 6. 4p is equal to negative 12, and our p is negative 3. Okay, as we can see right here, our value of p is negative 3, which is p is less than 0. Therefore, we can determine our shape of the graph, which is the N shape. Okay, before we sketch this graph, we need to find our vertex, our focus, and our directrix. Okay, since the coordinate is hk, so we already know that h is negative 4 and k is 6. So this is the coordinate for vertex. For f, the coordinate is h, k plus p. So our h is negative 4, our k is 6, and our p is negative 3. So we get negative 4, 3. So our directrix is y equal to negative p, and we know that our k is 6, our p is negative 3, so we get y is equal to 9. Alright, to sketch this parabola graph, we need to sketch the x-axis and the y-axis first. Therefore, then we need to draw the parabola graph. So we put this in in the top of a parabola graph, which is this is a vertex. Vertex is -4, 6, and here F focus -4, 3. So then we need to sketch this line, the dotted line, which is the axis parabola, and direct it, which is our directive is y is equal to 9. Alright, so this is how you answer this question. So we already done. Thank you.